Hi, this is Krishana Ganwali. This is the assignment 2, which is team-based assignment, stage 2. So I'm Krishana Ganwali. I'm a distance student. Currently, I live in Irving, and I work as an application developer for Bank of America, which is located in Plano, um, and also called as Dallas Tech Center. And this assignment is submitted to Dr. Namin, um, Computer Science, Texas Tech University. Um, and and I got assignment number 5 for um, you know for this project. So in this project, I use static and dynamic analysis. For static analysis, I use virus total, and then after P Studio, and then there are required applications for this project completion, which is VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and then after you know virus total P Studio, and I also did a string analysis, and then use IDE Atom. And also for dynamic analysis, I use IDEA Pro. But dynamic analysis, I just check at the segments, and which is complicated to analyze. So I just ran this script, and then after get the result. But it's really hard to get dive into it. But I tried my best. So I started from VirusTotal. Um, you know, so uh, when I load this malicious Android APK, it has 28 problems found out of 58. And then I renamed that number 5 to assignment 1 stage 5 because I wanted to check whether it gives the actual file name or not, whether it shows the actual file name or not. And indeed it showed. So um, So you see that basic properties, and then in these basic properties, also you see the details of the file, which gives like, whatever the virus is detected, and there are, antivirus they have used in VirusTotal, like for example, McAfee or Kaspersky, which is pretty popular in Asian market. And then after also some Trojan, and then some what library did it use. It shows their Android Metasploit library is used, and then you can see their actual file name, which is hello.apk. But earlier I renamed it as assignment 1 and stage 1, but actual file name is printed here. And also it shows that what certification attribute is used, and what's the duration of this certificate attributes. And then so number 3, I have printed out the information to observe there. This informations would do like what kind of security violation it has done, and what actually this application could do. So this is very important thing while we analyze malware, like what it actually does. So the simple Android APK malware is just scary because it reads your phone states, it reads your contact, it reads your SMS, it also reads oh sorry, that is type of Wi-Fi state, not Wi-Fi state, it is actually Wi-Fi state and internet. So once the hacker get that information, then your privacy is compromised. So this application is once the user updates, it injects to their Android phone, and then after it will stay there, and then then it will impact, it will damage their privacy. Uh, that is what VirusTotal website showed, and I also ran some string, and a string. I tried to find out what execution command it has used, and then after you see that it has a manifested XMLPK, and then after resources, and also on the meta is not a data system enough. And next thing is it also printed hash ID. SSA1, and then after this has ideas are printed. So and then also I used P Studio, which has inbuilt virus total and indicators which shows malicious code injected to the application. So this is interesting to watch because um, it is really interesting to watch. The reason behind that is it whether that virus total websites malicious codes, and then after actual codes in P Studio are masked or not, and they both of them masked. I also checked those part. And the screen what you're seeing right now is Idea Pro. I use that for segment analysis, for dynamic analysis of this file. So in here, this is interactive dissamblers, which is known as IDA, and then it has this has ID, SSA ID, which you have shown earlier in PE static code. So this particular application is used for dynamic analysis. And then and there are segments, bunch of segments you can see here. The interesting part I noticed is there is 0, 0, and then after directly it comes to 1, and then after 8, 9, and then after it turns to A, which looks more serialized, but I don't know whether this aligned to or DWT. There is something in it or not. I'm not sure, and I actually try to go dive deep, accessing all these flows, which is available in Idea Pro, and some of those are only in paid version. So I couldn't do much on it, but I tried my best whether I can deep dive or not. But for this kind of simple malicious application, I think VirusTotal or PE Studio, and then this string would be useful, because these applications, or those application already shows like what um, the malicious application actually cost on user. So in overall, this application harms users' privacy, and then after it would compromise, you know, the user's data. So I appreciate for your time, and thank you so much for um, watching this video. And I also thank Dr. Namin for enlightening us, specifically in this present world where data and your security is compromised and it's always scary. And that's all I have. And give me your feedback, comments. Thank you.